Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a technical specialist with DCM Tech. Let's talk shop. So you're the owner of a DCM surface grinder, or you're interested in one. These machines are designed to run hard and accurate. But like any other high precision machine, it depends on how they're maintained. Let's talk a little bit today about this rotary surface grinder and how we can maintain this machine and keep it running accurately, not only for years, but decades. If you own a rotary surface grinder, there's one small component that could quietly cost you thousands if it's not maintained: the coolant union. Let's take a look at where to locate the rotary coolant union on our DCM IG series systems. On top of the spindle motor, you'll locate the rotary coolant union. The coolant union takes a delivery of coolant from the pump and directs it through the spindle motor down to the part. Through spindle coolant delivery not only cools the parts as they're grinding, but it also maintains temperature of the grinding motor. The grinding motor is spinning at a high RPM, so is the coolant union. That makes it a wear item. Through spindle coolant delivery not only keeps your parts cool during the grinding process, it also stabilizes the temperature of the motor. You should always have a constant flow of spindle coolant. If you do not, it's time to look for an obstruction or a problem. If you're running into coolant flow problems, the first step is to remove the securing nut on the bottom of the spindle head. It should look like this with ports. If there are any obstructions, you should clear them, replace it, and then check for coolant flow. If not, it's time to look further upstream. The main cause of motor issues is due to a failed rotary coolant union. The best way to keep and maintain your motor in good operating condition is to inspect regularly this coolant union. Up on top of the motor, you want to look for any signs of leaking of coolant around the unit itself. On some of the later models, we have also added a weep line. If you see any weeping or spitting of coolant coming out of this line, that is also indicative of a union failure, and it should be replaced immediately. The average lifespan of a rotary coolant union is about 6 months. It depends on the grinding environment and how often the machine is used, but that's a good place to start for routine maintenance. Regular maintenance of your DCM grinder, inspection and replacement of failed coolant unions can save you tens of thousands of dollars in the long run. It's a simple step. It only costs hundreds of dollars and can be done right in your shop. If you're uncomfortable or don't know how to do this procedure, contact the DCM Technical Specialist or contact one of us about our preventative maintenance procedures where we could come in and take care of those for you on site. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to contact the DCM Technical Specialist if you have any questions, and be sure to join us next time when we talk shop.